Hey guys, welcome to Kannis classes, Concept Simplified just for you. I'm so glad to announce the start of a new series in our channel, and that is UGC Net JRF Home Science series. I'm so excited also because this series is the main idea behind the creation of this channel. Randomly, while browsing in YouTube regarding the net home science study materials, I was able to find lots and lots of videos, but unfortunately, all the videos were in a very strange language, and we may call it as English. Yes, you heard it right. All the videos were in English, where the explanations are in a mix of Hindi and English with more Hindi in it. Though I understand Hindi, I find it vague and difficult to follow because sometimes they use even the subject terms in Hindi. For example, if I say Maniyal instead of home science, they may not be able to follow. Same applies for us also. There, I got a spark. Qualified net wise and with ample years of experience in teaching, I thought it will be ideal and useful to start a channel and share my knowledge in home science with you all. Though I intend to teach mostly in English, I may use Tamil also to explain the concepts and for a better connect to the topic. But the subject terms will only be in English. It's my promise that you will get simplified, easy to understand, and quality contents in this series with the perspective of cracking the net exams so easily. Let's have a sensible learning in future videos and keep visiting this space for more interesting videos in Net JRF Home Science series. Most important of all, don't forget to subscribe to Kanni's classes and press the bell icon nearby so that you will get the notification whenever I post a video. Do like, share, and comment below your views. Keep supporting Kanni's classes. Happy learning home science. See you all in next video. Bye for now. Thank you.